Hey guys, so we're going to be doing a speaker test between the Galaxy Note 7 along with all the other major flagship phones released this year. And also we're going to be looking at the Xperia XA Ultra just because it does have a pretty loud speaker even though it's a mid-ranger. So we're going to be testing on how loud the speakers are. Let's start off with the OnePlus 3. Alright, so I saw 78, maximum right there. And now the Xperia X Performance. Alright, so noticeably silenter. I think that was 69 before I started talking. It does have dual front-facing speakers, but again, definitely a little silenter. And now for the Galaxy S7 Edge. Alright, so you see there all the way up to 77. Just one speaker at the bottom, but definitely louder. Now next is the HTC 10. This phone, it doesn't get that loud, but it does have very good speakers. Also has two, like the X Performance. Alright, so you see there 74 is the high. And now for the Galaxy Note 7. $76. Now the iPhone SE, this will probably finish last, we'll see. Alright, so it actually reached 73, a little bit better than I was expecting. And now the LG G5, I think this one is actually the loudest, but we'll see. $76, so near the top but not quite the top one. Now let's have a look at the Xperia XA Ultra, again mid-ranger, but I think it does have a pretty loud speaker, so we'll see. Alright, so 76. Again, like most of the phones, it has one speaker at the bottom, not the best quality, but it is pretty loud. So we're going to do one more test between these 5 phones, but these are the top 5. So the LG G5, the Xperia XA Ultra, and the Galaxy Note 7 all at 76. The S7 Edge 77, and the OnePlus 3 78. So again, we're going to do one more test, different video. Alright, so new song. First up is the LG G5. $75, and the Xperia XA Ultra. Again, 75, so once again tying. Now for the Galaxy Note 7. Alright, so a little bit under at 73. Worth noting that I just ran it again right after that for the Galaxy Note 7, and I did get 75. It's kind of weird, like you would think you would get the same each time. Let me just try it again. Okay, so 74 that time. Think that it definitely is below the last two we just tested. And now for the Galaxy S7 Edge. So again, 74 there. And finally, let's have another look at the OnePlus 3. So again, the score to beat is 75. So there you have it, 76. I think it's pretty clear now. The OnePlus 3 won both the tests. Didn't tie up any, just won flat out both tests. So I think it's pretty clear that the OnePlus 3 has the loudest speaker of the major flagships released so far this year. I will say this isn't my favorite speaker. Don't really like the quality of it that much, although I definitely give it credit for being the loudest of the bunch. Again, here's the top 5, the OnePlus 3, Xperia XA Ultra, the LG G5, the Galaxy S7 Edge, and the Galaxy Note 7. So obviously this is just one sound test. I mean, you guys can kind of judge for yourself which speaker you thought sounded the clearest. So obviously this just covers how loud it is, but again, hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you aren't already. And as always, thanks for watching.